In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ClickUp with Salesforce. This integration is really useful if you want your project management work in ClickUp to stay in sync with your sales data in Salesforce. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go in ClickUp, what to click, and what to expect when you connect the two platforms. First, start by logging into your ClickUp account. Open your browser, go to the ClickUp website, and sign in with your usual credentials. Make sure you're in the correct workspace, especially if you're part of multiple teams or organizations. The integration is set up at the workspace level, so you want to be in the space where you actually manage the work that should connect to Salesforce. Once you're in ClickUp, look over to the left-hand side of your screen. This is your main navigation column, where you usually see your spaces, favorites, and other options. In that left-hand column, look for the option labeled More. It may be represented as an ellipsis or simply the word More, depending on your view and screen size. Click on that to expand additional settings and tools that aren't visible by default. After you open the More section, you'll see a list of extra options. From that expanded menu, click on Apps. This is where ClickUp centralizes its integrations and connections with other tools. If you don't immediately see Apps, try scrolling within that panel. Sometimes it can be slightly lower down, especially if you have a lot of items in your sidebar. When you're in the Apps area, you'll see a gallery or list of available integrations. Take a moment to find Salesforce in that list. You can scroll through the apps, or if a search bar is available, type Salesforce to quickly filter the results. Once you spot the Salesforce tile or card, click on it to open the integration details. On the Salesforce integration page inside ClickUp, you'll see an option to connect the two platforms. Click the button that says Connect. At this point, ClickUp will redirect you to a Salesforce login page. Here, you'll need to sign in with your Salesforce account details that have the appropriate permissions to authorize the integration. Follow the prompts in Salesforce to allow ClickUp to access your data as requested. After you approve the connection, you'll be returned to ClickUp and your Salesforce integration will be active, ready